A tragic landslide has struck the Kedarnath trekking route near Gauri Kund early this morning. The visuals on your screen from the site. This has resulted in the deaths of 3 pilgrims and injures the 8 others. The SDRF team has been promptly dispatched after the disaster control room has received the distress call this morning while alerting the authorities to the situation. Now, the team has reached the spot and has evacuated the injured 8 people. And these people have been transferred to a nearby hospital for immediate medical care and the treatment. Meanwhile, the search and rescue efforts on this very operation in Kedarnath are still underway by the teams of the rescue operations. Now, joining me right now at this point is our correspondent Abhishek. Abhishek, yet another tragedy where the pilgrims have lost life in Kedarnath. And in fact, the Uttarakhand Chief Minister has also tweeted and saying that this incident has caused him great distress as well. The loss of lives has also shocked the people nearby while they were on their pilgrimage.
Yeah, a tragic landslide struck in the morning in the route of Kedarnath in Gauri Kund, near Gauri Kund, and in this landslide incident, 3 of the pilgrims have lost their life and many are severely injured. As the control room get to know about the information, they instantly send this information to the control room and the SDRF and NDRF teams. The SDRF and NDRF teams have reached there and started the evacuation, and the relief teams were also called from the local police and the CRPF teams also. Paramilitary forces were also, the nearby camp were also being told about the incident and they also reached the spot. And the relief work is still going on. 8 of the severely injured are being taken out from the site and 3 of them are dead at the spot. So the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand has also showed his grief, and he has promised, he has sent many of the teams from NDRF and SDRF to clean the site of the trekking site of the Kedarnath on Gauri Kund, and the relief things were also being done. The helicopters were deployed to take a look, aerial look, whether someone else is also there or not. And the people who are connected, the family members who were, the trekking company was also being detected, and the major information of the death and the injured people were given to their families. Also, the people who are severely injured, their ventilators and hospital, the proper hospital and doctors being allotted to them to take care of them.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.